Welcome to Crewe Seat. This is a quick video tour of this new approved used Leon in our stock. This is the Seat Leon Cupra 2.0 TSI and it's a 300 PS and it's a DSG automatic. This vehicle only has 20,000 miles and is petrol and automatic again, sorry. This colour comes in black magic and metallic paint and comes with full LED headlights and daytime running lights. This vehicle comes with these 19-inch Cupra Machined alloy wheels with the red brake Cupra calipers. We've also got the LED strip indicator just on the side mirror. The rear windows are tinted in privacy glass, and this vehicle does come with front and rear parking sensors and cruise control. It's a very, very nice looking vehicle. Inside you've got a nice bit large boot space with access to putting the back seats down. Inside we've got the black Alcantara seats in the front and back with the part leather and suede inserts and panels. And we've got the right bespoke trim and also the carbon fibre effect detailing as well on the seats. We've got the electric window switches. So in the front we've got the dashboard display just here. You can use this dial here to adjust what you view. And we've got the Cupra Flat Base Sport black leather FR steering wheel, the Cupra gear selector, and we've also got the electronic handbrake switch. This vehicle comes with a range of different features including the full DAB radio, Bluetooth hands-free, full link, and a few other different options. Got the Cupra detailing on this passenger seat and again the carbon fibre effect detailing on the seats with the white trim. It's a lovely interior and exterior and it's quite a popular vehicle. If you're interested in this car, please feel free to pop down to Crewe Seat, speak with a member of our team, or give us a call on 01270 864 430. Thanks for watching.